How to make money with YouTube. It's well known that YouTube can be seriously lucrative for its content creators. The beauty of the platform is that it's easier than ever to get paid for doing what you love, creating videos. That said, if you're new to the game, it can be difficult to understand how to monetize your YouTube videos and start making money. The possibilities are endless, from the YouTube Partners Program, branded merch, to affiliate marketing. In this article, we walk you through all the different revenue streams available to YouTubers so that you can take your pick and start making money from your content. Can you make money on YouTube? Absolutely. Anyone and everyone can technically make money on YouTube. That said, making money on YouTube is not a given. Simply creating a YouTube channel or account does not automatically monetize your content. As with most things, you need to meet specific criteria. Creating income through YouTube takes effort and work. How do you get paid by YouTube? Once you've put in the hard work to monetize your channel and content through the IPP, it's time to get paid. But you may be wondering how exactly you receive payment from YouTube. YouTube pays through AdSense, which is why you need to link up your account to your YouTube channel when first joining the IPP. A little note, you won't be paid as soon as you start earning. Instead, your earnings need to pass certain thresholds before AdSense starts sending you your money. Monetizing your YouTube videos. Although the IPP is a straightforward way to monetize your YouTube content, it's not the only way to make money on YouTube. So what other ways do YouTubers make money? 8 other ways to make money on YouTube. License your content to the media. Licensing your videos out essentially means giving other media platforms or organizations the right to replay your content for a fee. Either leave it to media outlets to contact you directly or try listing your video on marketplaces like Jukin Media. Get your fans to pay you directly. If you've got a loyal and committed audience, chances are they'll want to support you and your work. Whether you're looking for a regular supplementary income stream or need some extra cash for a specific project, fan funding is an effective way of making money from your YouTube channel. As we saw, the IBP makes it easy to encourage your viewers to support you financially in exchange for special perks or exclusive content. That said, there are other ways to get your fans to pay you directly, namely through crowdfunding. Use crowdfunding. If you're asking your fans to make a regular contribution to support you and your channel, you should look into setting up a Patreon account. Just like the IPP, you can offer membership perks such as exclusive or early access videos, member-only live streams, or members-only merch. Whereas if you're raising money for a particular project, platforms like GoFundMe or Kickstarter are probably better options. Become an affiliate partner. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel if you haven't yet got a super big following. Affiliate marketing is low risk for the brand involved because they only pay you when and if your viewers buy one of their products. All you need to do is promote their product to your viewers, encouraging them to use your affiliate link. You'll get a proportion of any sales made off the back of your videos. Become an Amazon influencer. A common example of affiliate marketing is the Amazon Influencer Program. When you sign up, you might have to start promoting Amazon products on your channel. You could then choose to include an affiliate link directly to the products or through to your customized Amazon storefront in your video description. You'll earn commission on qualifying purchases made through your affiliate link or Amazon storefront. Note that Amazon does check whether you have a YouTube channel and looks at the number of subscribers your channel has and other engagement metrics when reviewing your application to become an Amazon influencer. Create sponsored content. As we saw, YouTube now has its very own service to connect YouTubers with brands. However, this is the only way to start creating sponsored content. Plus, if you manage to strike a deal yourself, it means that you don't have to cut YouTube. Sponsorship deals can arise organically. If you gain enough of a following or create content in a specific niche, you may find that brands start approaching you themselves. Approach brands with an offer. It's always good practice to send over a brand or channel pitch that outlines what you are offering them. If they like what they see, they'll provide you with a partnership and you can start creating sponsored content. However, if you don't want to wait around, it's on you to take the initiative. Remember, there are a lot of advertising regulations that you need to adhere to, so make sure you're clued up on what that entails. Sell your merch. Even if you're not a YouTube partner, you can still sell your own branded merchandise. Merchandise is a great way to make money from your YouTube content and build a community and connect with your audience. Bear in mind that if you're not on the IPP, you won't be able to have a merch shelf on your channel. This means you'll need to create your website or online store through which your viewers can purchase their merch. Remember to shamelessly promote your merch through your videos and other social media platforms, including the link to your website in your video descriptions and captions. Sell a branded product. This monetization strategy will work better for certain types of channels than others. Still, you could design a related product such as an exclusive course webinar or even a private membership community platform that your viewers can pay to get access to. Best practices to make money from YouTube videos to understand your audience. The first and most important thing you need to understand is your existing and target audience. We mean by this to understand what content they like, what types of products they'd be interested in, what kind of marketing they'd respond to, and more. Knowing your audience will ultimately help you grow your channel, give you the ROI that you deserve, and help you make your channel the most lucrative it can be. Make videos that appeal to a niche audience. Though you may read the word niche and ask why you've limited your audience, this is a highly effective way to ensure your channel is super profitable. The reason? Niche audiences tend to be highly captivated and engaged with your content. This means that sponsorship deals and any other promotional content will benefit from an extremely targeted audience. Master your YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is essential for encouraging organic traffic to your videos. If you do it right, your video SEO will ensure that your video is searchable, ranks highly, and is recommended to your target audience. Here are some tips for optimizing your YouTube SEO. Research keywords and make sure to use them in your video title, video file name, and your video description. Use hashtags and tags in your video description. Correctly categorize your video. Include subtitles or closed captions with your video. Build your following with consistent posting. Another important way to build out your audience base is to be consistent. Try as far as possible to upload videos regularly. If you're posting at random intervals, you're unlikely to attract an audience that consistently comes back for more. Make the most of your descriptions. In addition to boosting your YouTube SEO, your video description is critical for maximizing viewers and watch time, as well as including important information and links. If you craft an engaging description, you're more likely to capture the attention of your viewer and prompt them into staying around for longer on your video. As much as video SEO is important, don't force keywords or write only for the search algorithm. Try to write descriptions that convey your brand or channel tone of voice and accurately describe the video's contents. Remember, you are addressing your viewers. Finally, your video description is essential if you're trying to sell products through external links to your viewers. Don't forget to list these clearly alongside effective calls to action, CTAs. Create engaging and informative content. You should strive to create genuinely engaging and informative content. At the end of the day, as a content creator, your success is determined by what your viewers think of your videos. Effective monetization is only possible if you have an audience who trust your word and want to support your work. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.